Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so excited to share with you today. I finished the little golden book, Frosty the Snowman. I am loving this thing. I love the color blue and this came out great, if I do say so myself. Little humble brag there. Just going to give you a little tour of the outside. It's 3 signatures. I've got some things, a little pokey out the top, lots of pokey out the side. We've got some junk journal jewelry here hanging off the edge, some fabric ruffles sticking out, buttons on the spine. Okay, so the journal is, it's a little golden book, so it's 6 inches across, almost 8 inches tall, and then I have a 2.5 inch spine on it. I've tied it with some of the fabric I used on the spine. Look at Frosty, he's so cute. I loved this cover just the way it was, so I didn't alter it at all. You're always free to do whatever you want with it. You know, you can add embellishments or what have you. Look at those cute buttons. I love those. Oh, everything about this guy. Okay, let's go right inside. Let's dive in. So the inside was completely clean. I love that, so I left that. You could see a little faint where someone had signed their name in pencil, but I erased it. You can faintly see it in person. So I love that this opens up. Sorry, going back. This is a soft spine, so it is flexible. It's file folder and Tyvek and fabric, so it's very secure, but it's flexible. So when we open it up, we open to this adorable Santa. He came off the front of a coloring book, and I made him into a tuck spot. Fabric ruffle we made in the last video. And then these cute time card tags. Wrapping paper, Cara Brandon, fabric. I used the Cara Brandon Retro Christmas kit in this, but there are a lot of other papers, like let's see, on the front of each ruffle there's a little bulb pin with a charm, snowflake. We've got a little tuck spot here with our tag and a tag. I think we made that one together. And then these cute tea tags. Wow, listen to me, I know how to talk. Key tags. They were put, like when you run out of keys in the store, they would put where to order them from. I just thought that was adorable. You know, like Santa needs a key to get in the house. Okay, anyway. I've left the entire story in here. It's all in here in order, so you can still read the book. This is a 1974 printing. The original copyright says 1950, but this is a 1974 version. And we've got some music paper and a little up tuck from a cluster and a tag I stenciled on. A little paper ruffle. This is a piece of Cara's kit. Isn't that cute? Printed on both sides, and then some paper, a little stamping here. This is a tag that I made, and then this little paper clip is holding closed this pop-up. So you have some secret journaling space there, and then when you clip it, it's also a pocket. So there is lots and lots of space to write in here. Here's a little pocket I made behind a playing card. Some more stenciling, and a pocket with a cute little fold-out tag from a made from an index card. Isn't that adorable? Some more Santa. You can put pictures there on the back of the pocket. More of the story. And this is a page from a Night Before Christmas book. And then I had a book about crafting with kids, so we've got different things to make. Look at this cute pocket. This pocket is a card. And then inside we have 2 tags. Adorable. And a little decorative cluster up there. And a vintage gift tag that I made into a pocket. Here's a tag where I just sewed some scraps of fabric on the front. And then this is a gift tag. I picked up a variety pack of these at Hobby Lobby. Every year they have different tags and stuff, and they're so cute. This is from a coloring book. And then we have another ruffle on the other side of it, and this one has a bulb pin with a piece of fabric and a cute little ornament. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in frame here. It's a little wiggly. And then in this cute pocket, we have a cluster tag, and then this cute trivia card. That's a reindeer. Isn't that cute? Another vintage tag. And here's a side opening card with a guest check behind. And then this page has a double pocket. We have two cardstock pockets. This one has a recipe card, and this one has an adorable little Santa card. Isn't that cute? I like that one goes this way and one goes this way. Just for a little more interest, there's a little paper ruffle. More of the story. And stenciling. This is some stationery paper that I had. That's a big fireplace. So cute. And then this little cluster tuck, we have a Christmas tree card in there. And another paper clip with some little fabric on it. And then this one, when you unclip it, it opens up so that you can write in there. I just love that little flip down feature. I like having lots of little interactive things in the journal. It makes it so fun. So then on this page, we have paper clipped on. This is one of my ticket hidden paper clips that I mass made, and I just put a little cheesecloth and a sticker on there, and voila, now it's a Christmas paper clip. So on this page I have an envelope that we did a little cluster, little collaging on, and that's empty, but you can fill that with whatever you like. It's a nice big envelope. You know what? I'm going to stick a playing card in there so it's not empty anymore. We don't need an empty pocket. Okay, and then you just slide the paper clip right on there. Easier said than done, right? Another page of the Cara kit, and one of our fabric clusters. In this pocket, I have a recipe tag for chicken and waffles. You can still read the whole recipe all the way around. And then one of Cara's tags tucked in there. And another cute trivia card. This one's Santa. I love those little cards. I found them at a thrift store and they're just so adorable. And a nice big space. You can glue down tea-dyed paper here if you'd like to journal. You can glue pictures, put in some Christmas cards. So that's signature one. Okay, we're going to have to go faster, Diane. Here's the tuck spot on the front of this one. I took a piece that I fussy cut out of wrapping paper and glued it to some cardstock to give it some strength. And then we've got this time card in there. Here we go. There we go. And it is open right here, so the tag kind of sticks down. It's only glued right here. Then we have another fabric ruffle, and this charm is a bulb pin with beads and then a cute little green ornament. And in the back side, there's the pocket. And this is a coupon to watch your favorite Christmas movie. More of the Cara kit. And some music paper, and then in this little tuck cluster I have a guest check and some tickets for you to use throughout the journal. Now everything that's tucked into the pockets you can move around, you can write on, add things or move things, that's all up to you. There's a little cluster in the corner and some stenciling, and another little pocket with a tiny tag, and Another pop-up journal spot. Get this back in there. Alright, a recipe for some Christmas nut cookies. That sounds good. And some snowflake cookies. This is another stationery that I found that had Christmas cookies on it. And here's another cluster tag. Some more paper ruffle. This pretty Christmas doily. And look at this pocket. I love this card. It's so pretty. Isn't that nice? I think that's one of my favorites. And then we made this tag together, and I included this gift tag that is very glittery. Just love it. And she's poking out. Another gift tag. You can see I've used a lot of fabric and other mediums in here. Here's another bulb pin with a Christmas bulb on it and a fabric ruffle. And a card pocket with an index card and more tickets. I'm going to have to flip faster so we can get through this. There is a lot of pages in here. I'll have to count them later and let you know how many. Here's a pop-up naughty and nice list. Isn't that so cute? And then we've got this front of a card. And here's another hidden paper clip that we zhuzhed up. And an envelope. Okay, Diane, let's see what's in the envelope. Oh, look, it's a matching Christmas card. Isn't that so cute? Okay. Another fabric cluster. And here's a fabric flip with some tea-dyed paper underneath for you to write on. I love this retro fabric. So cute. Here's a tuck spot made out of another Santa cut from a different wrapping paper. And here's the charm on this signature, little bell. I've got a milk bottle cap. That's a Tim Holtz milk bottle cap. Another tuck spot with a guest check. And a snowman card. A paper ruffle. Some stamping. Another fold-out journal spot with a guest check. And a tuck spot. And this pocket has this tag in it. Some 3D pieces up there. Some vellum with holly. Another doily. And here's another flip-up card pocket. And here's the bulb pin with a little piece of lace there. I really hope you are enjoying the flip through this journal. I had a lot of fun making it, and I really enjoyed playing with all the pieces in Cara's kits to make this. Here's a little coin envelope that has a window, and I did a little collaging with some wrapping paper, pieces of the kits, and another tag inside. He does go back in there, I promise. Santa snoozing in the pocket. Just love that. And then here's another tag in a tag, clipped on. I have a little flip up tea-dyed paper tucked in there. And then at the back, the list for Santa pops up. And another little pocket. And here's another ticket hidden paper clip. And the envelope, I did a little stamping and put some pieces on the back of that. Playing card in there. And then here we have another playing card and a Christmas postcard. And then we're in the back. We have a library pocket, and then there's my stamp. So cute! I really hope you enjoyed this. I had so much fun making this. It will be listed for sale on eBay. I will put the link below so you can go check it out. I hope you had fun watching this series, and I am going to be making another Christmas journal. So stay tuned. That's my next project to roll around. And once again, thank you for joining me. I hope you really enjoyed this flip through. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite part was. Do you like the buttons, the pretty fabric, the little sparkly bits? I love all of it. So thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.